Hey guys, it's Gwen. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how to do an After Effects inspired sticker transition on light motion. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall make next. Okay guys, so first of all is you're gonna need to create your project and start importing all the clips you're gonna need. Okay guys, so now we're adding an effect. Go to distortion and wrap and add for tiles. Don't forget to tick the mirror. Okay, so after adding an effect, now we're gonna do a zoom transition. So as you see, now I'm adding keyframes for my zoom transition. And after adding keyframes, now we're gonna add graphs. You can follow my graph or even making it your own. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add the second clip. Okay guys, so after importing the clips, now you're gonna need to add an effect. Go to 3D and press cube. Okay, so now you're gonna need to drag the cube down and press distance. Okay, so after pressing distance, now you're just gonna need to mess up with all the keyframes. You can follow my settings or even making it your own. And for the intensity, please make it into 45%. Okay guys, so now we're gonna mess up with the orientation keyframes. Okay guys, so for the B part, you can change it into -90 or +90. It's all up to you. So here I'm putting into -90. Okay guys, so now it's the time for me to start messing out with all the keyframes I'm gonna use. Okay guys, so for my keyframe settings, I'm putting -90 on the beginning of the clip and I'm putting -28 on the end of the clip. After that, you can copy my graph or even making your own graph. Okay guys, so now I'm moving into move and transform and making the cube into smaller. Okay guys, so now I'm moving to move and transform and adding oscillate. Okay guys, I'm so sorry for interrupting, so you can follow my settings or even making it your own. It's all up to you. And also, you can copy my graph or making it your own. Okay, so now I'm going to add an effect, go to color and light, and add long shadows. So for the shadows, I'm making it as long as possible, and for the color, I'm still putting it as black. And don't forget to change the opacity into 100%. Okay guys, so here I'm adding a shape. And for the shape, I'm adding a heart one. And for the color, I'm making it blue just like the color on the background. Okay, so now I'm messing up with the opacity. It's all up to you, but here I'm putting it as 90%. transform and start adding a zoom transition into the shape. So after adding the shape, now I'm gonna go back into opacity. So for the first keyframe, I'm still making it as 90%, and at the end of the keyframe, I'm putting it as 0. Okay, so now I'm grouping all the layers into one. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add a zoom transition into the group. Okay guys, so now we have our sticker transition ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone have a really great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I should make next. Thank you and God bless you.